Hi, I'm Connor Finnerty. I'm ThinkSabio's Chief Marketing Officer. I'm going to walk you through the different reports and valuable information that ThinkSabio has to offer. First is going to be the Minervini Report. This is one of the most valuable reports that we have, has some really valuable information. To access it, click the search bar up here, and then scroll down to Minervini Strategy. So if you've ever struggled to find a good stock to invest in, then this report is going to be very helpful for you. It's named after Mark Minervini, who's one of the most successful investors in the United States over the last 30 years, and he has a track record of generating strong results and outperforming the market. This report outlines his specific criteria for investing in stock and shows you the stocks that meet those criteria, so you can model his success in the market. So all of this, before we get to the actual stocks and data, we have a brief type up of the criteria that he has. So first and foremost, he likes to have the current stock price trade above the 50-day moving average, which is the average closing price over the last 50 days, as well as higher than the 150-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Some other criteria, he likes to have the 200-day moving average trending up for at least 1 month, 22 active trading days. He also likes to have the current stock price 25% above the 52-week low, so the stock price, so the stock price can rebound from any lows it's experienced over the past year, as well as within 25% of the 52-week high. So, like the highest the stock has been in the past year. This makes it so the stock is resilient. It doesn't get too high, it doesn't get too low at the current moment, and it so basically at its current point, it shows that its growth and success is sustainable. So basically, it's all about long-term investment. So those two show how the current price compares to historical trends. And also, one final important one is the relative strength index, measuring kind of the strength of the stock, forecast long term, whether people are buying or selling. It's measured on a 0 to 100 scale, and any stock to meet the Minervini criteria has to be at least a 70. So we'll go through some of the stocks that meet the criteria. First, so to click on meet criteria to see the stocks that do meet the criteria, would make it pretty straightforward. So we have the current price, and then we look at the 52-week high, and then this measures how far the current price is from the 52-week high. So we see very high performance. The current price is within the 52-week high. Then we have the 52-week low. With a lot of these stocks, you see the huge bump up from the 52-week low. And then we have the 50-day moving average, 150-day moving average, 200-day moving average, and then the RSI. So that shows it basically just kind of lays all the information out in a very easy to understand fashion. And then you click on no longer meet criteria. And then it looks at, the stocks that maybe that don't meet the criteria, the current price. And then it compares the 52-week low, the RSI. So this is a pretty, and you look at the Minervini report, and it measure and the ones that meet the criteria, it's pretty extensive, like over like 20 pages or so. So it gives you lots of options for which stocks to pick and which ones to, finding the right stock to meet your portfolio and your investing goals. So that's the Mark Minervini report. It gives you an inside look at a hugely successful investor, how he chooses his stocks, and which stocks meet his criteria. This valuable information from ThinkSabio helps simplify the stock market so you can invest wisely and build a bright financial future. Thanks so much and happy investing.